Now question number 10. Student, in question number 10, we have a alkane which react with alkene. So student, it react in a presence of a acid like HF or H2SO4. So this is a very special type of reaction called as alkylation of alkene. What is this alkylation of alkene? Try to understand this. Whenever a alkane having a carbon atom from which hydrogen can be easily abstracted, creating a positive charge on carbon atom. So in that case, that carbocation react with alkene to give a new alkane or alkene. This is called alkylation of alkene. So let's try to understand this. So student, over here we have a alkane in which we have a tertiary carbon atom having a hydrogen and it react with alkene. So this reaction is called as alkylation of alkene. Alkylation of alkene. What is this alkylation of alkene? So when you react it with a acid like H2SO4 or H+, so it abstract one of the hydrogen forming a carbocation. Ab student, ethene is a alkene which is very less reactive with acid, and as acid we have taken at very low temperature 2 to 5 degrees Celsius. In this case, alkene will not react very easily with HF. So HF will abstract a hydrogen creating a carbocation. Now this carbocation is quite stable. Okay, अब इसकी जो लाइफ स्पैन है it is quite good. So slowly and gradually this will react with alkene. अब जब when this will react with alkene, how it will do that? Let's see this. तो सबसे पहले this alkene will attack on this carbocation giving electron, and ये जब reaction होगा, so in this case CH2 and CH2 plus is generated. So now student, this carbocation is highly unstable, isn't it? This carbocation is highly unstable. ठीक है? When this carbocation is highly unstable, so on the very next step, what will happen is it will rearrange. अब ये rearrangement करके it will come to secondary carbon atom. Now student, again this will rearrange, forming CH3, C, CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3 with a plus charge. Now student, this carbocation, how this carbocation can further abstract hydrogen from the alkane if you have taken it in large quantity, giving you a alkane, isn't it? That's why this is also called as alkylation. Generating another carbocation which will react with another alkene to give a new alkane. Or in this case, this hydrogen can be removed, generating a alkene. So in this case, either you will get a alkane or you will get alkene. So the product over here, अगर आप options देखेंगे, so all the four products over here is alkene. So we have to prepare alkene. तो आप यहाँ अगर match करेंगे, so in this case B is the correct option which matches with our product.